Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 8 is to power x is equal to 32, and we should solve this exponential equation for the value of x. In order to solve this question, first we should break this 32 into 8 into 4. As a result, we should get new value as 8 is to power x is equal to 8 into 4. Now we should apply log on the both side of the equation. As a result, we should get log 8 is to power x is equal to log 8 into 4. Now here on the both side of the equation, we should apply the property of log, which is if a base having a power and we apply log on this value, then this base will go and multiply and with the log a or log with base. And if the two values are in multiplication, a and b, and if we apply log on this value, we should get log a plus log b, because this multiply will convert into positive sign and both values will be right with the value of log. So we should apply the both properties on this equation. As a result, we should get x log 8, because this x power will go in multiplication. As a result, this x will multiply with the value of log 8, and this value will convert into log 8 plus log 4. Now we should move this log of 8 on the other side of the equation. As a result, both of these value will divide with this log 8. And as a result, we should get new value as x is equal to log 8 over log 8 plus log 4 over log 8. Now this log 8 and log 8 will cancel out together. Now as a result, we should get new value as x is equal to 1, because both of values cancel out together, and we should get 1. Plus log 4 will remain same, but this 8 can be written as 2 is to power 3. So here we use the value as 2 is to power 3 instead of 8. Now in the next step, we should convert this 4 into 2 is to power 2. And here we apply the property of power. When we apply a log on a value which is having power, then with this power will multiply with this log a. So here we should apply the same property of log. As a result, we should get log 3 log 2, and this value will convert into 3 log 2, and this log 4 can be written as log 2 is to power 2, and the same property which apply on this value we should apply on this value. As a result, we should get 2 log 2 over 3 log 2 plus 1 equal to x. Now this log 2 and this log 2 will cancel out together. As a result, we should get x is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3, which will be equal to 5 over 3. And this is the answer for the value of x. Now we should check the value. Which is x is equal to 5 over 3 for this equation. As a result, we should replace this x with 5 is to 5 over 3. As a result, we should get 8 is to power 5 over 3 equal to 32, because when we replace this x with 5 over 3, 8 power 5 over 3 equal to 32, we will get new value. Now this 8 can be written as 2 is to power 3, and in power 5 over 3 will remain same equal to 32. Now this 3 and this 3 will cancel out together. As a result, we should get new value as 2 is to power 5 equal to 32, and 2 is to power 5 32 is equal to 32, and the other side of the equation you can see that is also equal to 32. So this is the final answer for the proof. The value of x, which is 5 over 3, is true for this expression. So the answer is for the x is equal to 5 over 3. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.